The ocean is hiding something. Imagine standing alone on a quiet beach just before sunrise. The air is cool, the waves gently kiss the shoreline. Everything feels calm, peaceful, almost perfect. Looking at the endless horizon, it's hard to believe that beneath those gentle waves lies the largest unexplored wilderness on Earth. The ocean looks harmless from above. Smooth water, gentle ripples, endless blue, but appearances can be deceiving. Beneath that calm surface, darkness has been hiding for millions of years. Without warning, clouds gather above the sea. The wind grows stronger, waves begin crashing against one another. Nature reminds us that the ocean is never truly peaceful, it only allows us to believe it is. Below the surface begins another world. A place where sunlight slowly disappears. A world few humans have ever seen. A place where mysteries outnumber answers. Tiny glowing creatures drift through the darkness like stars floating underwater. Their beauty is mesmerizing, but in the deep sea, beauty often hides danger. Then something impossible appears. Ancient stone structures resting beneath the ocean. Ruins untouched for thousands of years. Who built them, and why are they here? To uncover the truth, scientists descend deeper inside a research submarine. Every meter takes them farther away from the safety of the surface, and closer to the unknown. Suddenly, two glowing lights appear ahead. They aren't lights at all. They're eyes, silently watching from the darkness. Our spotlight reveals only part of an enormous shadow. Too large to identify, too large to be any known animal. Then, it disappears. Thousands of fish suddenly change direction. They flee in panic. Marine animals always sense danger first. The question is, what are they running from? The last rays of sunlight disappear forever. From this point onward, there is only darkness. A gigantic cave opens before us. Untouched, silent, ancient, the entrance feels less like a cave, and more like the doorway into another world. Even a whale, the largest animal we know, looks tiny in these endless depths. Below us lies an abyss descending nearly 11 kilometers into the earth. A place so deep that Mount Everest could disappear inside it. Boiling water erupts from cracks in the ocean floor. Despite impossible temperatures and crushing pressure, life still exists. Strange glowing coral covers the rocks. Colors never seen on land illuminate the darkness like another planet. Creatures drift silently through the water. Transparent bodies, glowing organs, teeth larger than their own heads. Evolution here followed completely different rules. Then, something moves. Enormous tentacles slowly disappear behind the rocks. They are far too large to belong to any known squid. A forgotten ship rests on the ocean floor. Frozen in time, whatever happened here, nobody survived to tell the story. Only a rusted anchor remains. The last reminder that humans once came here, and never returned. Millions of tiny particles float through the water. Our lights barely penetrate the darkness surrounding us. The pressure here is more than 1,000 times stronger than at sea level. A single mistake would instantly crush the submarine. The sonar sends powerful waves into the abyss. At first, nothing. Then, one strange signal appears. Ahead lies complete darkness, a place where even our strongest lights seem to disappear. Resting on the seabed is something unbelievable. A gigantic egg, larger than a house. Whatever laid it, must be enormous. The sonar suddenly changes. Something is moving toward us. No sound, no warning, only slow, silent movement through the darkness. An ancient stone gate appears. Covered with mysterious carvings, it looks like the entrance to a forgotten civilization. Broken statues stand silently along the seabed, their faces worn away by time, as if guarding something hidden. Beyond the gate, an entire underwater kingdom emerges. Massive towers, ancient architecture, a civilization lost beneath the waves. Glowing blue crystals illuminate the ruins with an eerie light. Everything feels beautiful, yet deeply unsettling. Then we find the skeleton. Larger than any whale ever discovered. If this creature died here, what could possibly have killed it? Suddenly, a massive tail moves behind the ruins. Not fossilized, alive. Our spotlight follows the movement. The beam cuts through the darkness, searching. Then, it happens. An enormous eye slowly opens. Bigger than the submarine itself. It stares directly at us. The darkness begins to move. An ancient monster rises from the abyss. Its body stretches farther than our cameras can capture. Humanity has never recorded anything this large. At the exact same moment, a violent storm erupts above the ocean. Thunder shakes the sky while the sea itself seems to awaken. The captain orders full speed. The submarine races toward the surface. Behind us, the creature follows. Not because it needs to catch us, but because it wants us to know it could. Near the surface, its shadow is still there. Larger than any ship ever built. Hidden just beneath the waves. Then, for one final moment, the ancient monster rises just enough for humanity to witness its existence. Before disappearing forever into the endless abyss. Maybe the greatest mystery on Earth was never hidden among the stars. Maybe, it has always been beneath our oceans. The ocean is hiding something. To be continued.